Looking for a cleaner, more organized Android experience? In this video, we are counting down the top 6 best Android cleaner app based on their features, popularity, and overall usefulness to help you manage storage and keep your device running smoothly. At number 6, here an app that can help if your Android is always running out of storage. Meet Norton Cleaner. It has a 3.4-star rating, more than 233,000 reviews, and over 5 million downloads. While the rating is mixed, many users still choose it because of the trusted Norton name and its practical cleanup tools. The app scans your phone for junk files, leftover app data, and unnecessary caches that quietly eat up storage. It can also help you find duplicate photos, large videos, old download, and app you are nearly use. One feature that really stands out is auto cleaning. Set it once and it clean up your device on a schedule without you having a think about it. It also includes browser cleanup to help remove browsing data and improve privacy. If you already subscribe to Norton Utilities Ultimate, you can simply sign in and unlock premium feature at no extra cost. It's not a magic speed booster, but if you want a cleaner, more organized Android with extra storage, Norton Cleaner is definitely worth considering. Follow for app number 5. The number 5 is Phone Cleaner Storage Cleaner with a 4.2-star rating, over 430,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads. This app is designed to help you organize your device by removing unnecessary caches and junk files, making it easier to free up storage for the thing you actually use. One of its standout features is the App Manager, which helps you identify large or rarely used apps so you can decide what to remove. It also includes a duplicate file remover to find extra copies of photos, videos, and documents that may be taking up space. You also find useful tools like a file manager, battery monitor, CPU monitor, RAM information, and an image compressor that can reduce photo size while helping maintain visual quality. If your phone feels cluttered and you want more control over your storage, this app packs several maintenance tools into one easy-to-use interface. Stay tuned because the next app on this list offers even more useful feature you won't want to miss. Next, number 4 is Phone Cleaner AI Cleaner with a solid 4.5-star rating, over 661,000 reviews, and more than 50 million downloads. This app combines a junk cleaner, AI cleaner, app manager, and file manager into one simple tool. It scans for temporarily filed, leftover junk, and outdated APK that can take up valuable storage over time. One of its standout features is the AI cleaner, which help identify duplicate photos, old screenshots, and large files, making it easier to decide what you want to remove. You can also check which app use the most storage, manage installed apps, and organize your photos, videos, and documents without digging through endless folders. If your Android phone feels cluttered and you are looking for an easy way to organize your files and free up space, this app offers several useful tools in one place. Follow for the rest of counting down and discover more Android app worth checking out. The number 3, AOS CleanUp. Think your Android is getting slower? This app would be exactly what is needed. With an impressive 4-star rating, over 1 million reviews, and more than 50 million downloads, AOS CleanUp is trusted by millions of Android users worldwide. It quickly removes junk files, leftover app data, and unnecessary download to free up valuable storage. Its smart app analyzer also helps you spot apps that use too much battery, storage, or mobile data, making it easier to decide what to keep. One standout feature is its Photo Cleaner, which helps identify blurry, duplicate, and low-quality images so your gallery stay organized without manually sorting everything. The clean interface is beginner friendly and the quick clean feature lets you tidy up your phone with just one tap. If you are looking for an easy way to manage storage and keep your Android organized, AOS CleanUp is definitely worth checking out. Coming in at number 2 is AOS Cleaner, a storage cleaner. It's hold a 4.2 star rating, has over 1 million user reviews, and has been downloaded more than 100 million times. If your phone feels cluttered, this app is designed to help organize your storage. It can identify unnecessary files, leftover app data, duplicate photo, blurry image, and large video that may be taking up valuable space. One feature many users appreciate is the smart app analysis, which shows which app are using the most storage, battery, or mobile data. That makes it easier to decide what to actually need. It also includes one-tap cleanup, a built-in file manager, and a simple storage overview, making routing phone maintenance quickly and easy. Keep in mind that storage saving and performance improvement can vary depending on your device, install app, and how full your phone is. Finally, the number 1 on our list is CCleaner Phone Cleaner. With a solid 4.2 star rating, over 2 million reviews, and more than 100 million installs. It's one of the most recognized phone maintenance app available. CCleaner help you safely remove unnecessary files like cache data, leftover files, download, and browsing history, giving you more available storage. It also analyzes which app are using the most space, draining your battery, or consuming mobile data, so you can make informed decisions about what to keep. Another useful feature is its photo cleanup tool, which can help identify duplicate, blurry, or low quality image. Plus, you can monitor your phone CPU, RAM, storage usage, battery level, and temperature, all from one easy to use dashboard. The interface is clean, simple, and beginner friendly, making routing phone maintenance quick and straightforward. That's our list of the top 6 best Android cleaner apps. Which one would you try first? Share your favorite in the comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tech ranking. Bye, take care guys.